How does a sea otter orchestrate its day? They float effortlessly on the waves. Each movement is a graceful dance. Their fur traps air for warmth. Otters hold hands to stay together. This prevents them from drifting apart. They crack shells with rocks. This is their meal preparation ritual. Otters nurture their young with care. Their life is a song of survival. We crave such harmony in chaos. Imagine floating serenely above the stress. Could a weighted blanket provide that peace? So how does a sea otter orchestrate its day?